Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through a huge Claire's accessories haul. You will not believe how much I spent, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through a huge Claire's accessories haul. I'm a big Claire's fan. I was really a huge fan when I was younger. I used to always go there when I was shopping with my girls and we'd always head to Claire's and buy loads of stuff, and I used to love spending all my money in Claire's. So I thought I'd head back, and I absolutely loved going in. There's so much unicorn stuff literally everywhere, so I absolutely loved it. I had a great time doing this haul, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, then welcome back, and of course give me a big thumbs up so I can keep making more fabulous videos like this. So let's get started now on this really fun Claire's haul. I thought I would first start with this gorgeous little vanity bag. How cute is this? You've got the pink zip, you've got the pink little handle. I love the hot pink. It's a really cool bright colour. You've got this kind of iridescent quality all over the little vanity case. It's actually see-through, but it does look like that it's mirrored because you have this unicorn iridescent feel all over it, which I absolutely love. On the front there you've got a unicorn riding on rollerblades. How cool is that? You've got girl power, you've got rainbows, strawberries, ice lollies, bubblegum machines, pizzas, donuts. You've got really cool positive messages. You've got like be you, girl power, kindness is cool. I absolutely love this. I thought this was so adorable. It actually has glitter on it as well as this iridescent quality all over it. You've got the glitter kind of in the shooting star there. You've got the glitter in the gumball machine, the glitter in the pizza crust. So it's really fun, glittery, colourful, super girly. It actually has a good bit of space inside, and so you could store anything that you like in here. Your makeup, your pencils. If you collect mini Beanie Boos, you could store them in here. Lol surprises, anything like that. I absolutely love this, and let me see how much this guy was. Yeah, $10.99. So absolutely fabulous, love it. It's gonna last you for a long time. Really cute, and I'm so glad I picked this up as my first item in my Claire's haul. The next item, oh, I don't know what to show you because there's so many fun stuff. The next item is, it's a Beanie Boo. I absolutely love Beanie Boos, but of course we know that Beanie Boos are like the new thing and everybody's collecting them. I only have one, which is a little monkey. His name is Coco, but I thought I would upgrade my collection and get a few more, and when I saw this little one, I had to have her. I love the multicolored rainbow effect all over this little poodle. You've got of course the little feet, you've got the tail, her head, and then of course the ears as well. And I love that her eyes are like purple sparkly glitter, and then her little nose has glitter in it as well. It's so sweet. Let me see what her name is. Her name is Rainbow. How appropriate is that? You couldn't have called that even if you tried. They call me Rainbow because of my hair. It has style and flair, and it's the coolest to wear. I love the way Toi Beanie Babies and Beanie Boos have the little messages on the inside, and they're usually little rhymes. This is so cute, and this little guy was only $8.99, so a bargain from Claire's if you ask me. I think these are really cute. I definitely cannot wait now to add this to my collection of Beanie Boos, even though I've only got two, or maybe I'll have another one. You'll just have to wait and see. But I love the detail in this little poodle. Rainbow, welcome to the family. I absolutely love her, so I'm gonna leave her there, or maybe I'll leave her back here so you guys can admire her throughout the video. How cute is she? And I move on to the next item in my haul. So the next item, when I saw this, I had to have it in my life. It is an eye mask, but it's not just any normal eye mask. It is of course like a Princess Swan eye mask. I absolutely love it. I know I keep saying I absolutely love everything, but it's true. When I see this stuff, my face just lights up. I love anything unicorn themed and really girly and pink. That is just like my personality down to a T. So that's why I had so much fun shopping in Claire's. I wear eye masks because I hate when the light comes in the morning. It really annoys me, and particularly when you're on holidays as well, you want to have a nice lie-in. I always bring an eye mask away with me. So I thought I'd get a new eye mask, and this is a perfect new one. It was only $8.99, and you've got the fur detail all over it on the front. Of course you've got the glitter there as well. You can see you've got the glitter beak, you've got the glitter crown as well, and the crown actually has a little pink jewel as well. It has little silver jewels on the top of it, so there's a lot of detail in this eye mask. Of course you've got the 3D little pink ribbon there, you've got the stitching detail, and then what I love as well is you've got the different colour fur. So the there's a lot of detail gone into this, and I actually love the inside as well. Although you may not see this, it is like a pink and white polka dot on the inside and on the little elasticated string here that goes around your head. So a lot of detail has gone into this little eye mask. I absolutely love it. $8.99. I'm so glad I picked this one up. And so moving on to the next item in my Claire's haul. Oh my god, there's so many fun stuff to show you guys. I picked these up and I thought they were so cute. They are little lip balms, but they're like little milkshakes, and each of them actually has like a different kind of little like pun on it. So it says one in a melon. That's the blue one there. So that's obviously melon flavoured, watermelon flavoured lip balm. Cannot wait to try these out. They've got like little ice cubes, they've got little straws, and then they have the picture of the watermelon on the front and the blue one there. They're really detailed as well. That's what I love about Claire's. There's so many cute details in the tiny little things. The next one says get cherried away, so that's obviously cherry flavoured, and that's the yellow and pink one. And then the one at the very end here is a pineapple one, and it says pineapple of my eye, like the apple of my eye. So I really like the way Claire's did that. It's really cute. You've got the yellow ice on that one, you've got the pink ice on that one. Love the little details. I'm obsessed with these. I cannot wait to try them out and try all the different flavours. I think my favourite one is going to be probably watermelon or pineapple. I'm not a huge fan of cherry, but I'll give it a go. You can let me know which flavour you think you'd like the most as well. But I think they're really cute, and these were only $11.99. So a bargain there. You got 3 of them. They're not going to last you a little while as well. So I'll leave that there and I'll move on to the next item. There's so many fun things to talk you through. I absolutely love this item. Wait until you see. It is a gorgeous hairbrush. Look at that. Wow, it's so glittery. You've got girl power, you've got the little ice cream cone, you've of course got a unicorn, because what would a hairbrush be like this without a picture of a unicorn? And you've got a little hot dog as well down there. The hot dog is pink and blue, really cute. And this kind of ties in with my little vanity case as well. I think they must be a little set that was kind of gone together, because you've got very similar details. You've got the girl power, you've got the ice cream cone, the little unicorn, and then all over you have all these little crystal details that are actually 3D on this. Absolutely love it. It's of course pink all over, and actually I'll give this a little test and see how it goes. Oh, feels really nice. I got my hair cut recently and I got my extensions out, and I used to have to use an extension brush for specifically for my extensions, so I thought I would upgrade my brush collection, because I haven't had a normal brush in a long time, and I thought this would be a perfect one to start with because it is so cute and girly. Let me see how much this was. This was $8.99. I love it, and it goes perfectly with my little vanity case now. So I'll be all set to beautify myself up with my new hairbrush, and I'll pop some of my makeup and stuff in here as well. Okay, so moving on to the next item in my haul. I think I'll save the best for last, so I'll just show you these other bits. This is a little pineapple hand sanitizer. I couldn't think of the word. I was going to say hand lotion. It actually, does it say hand lotion? Oh, it does, sorry. It says pineapple scented hand lotion. I didn't realise that it was pineapple scented as well. I thought it was just a little hand sanitizer in a cute little bottle, but actually it's not. Look how sweet it is. So you've got this little handle here, so you could clip this on really on anywhere. Your handbag, your pencil case, your school bag, whatever you like. And then you've got the little clip opening here on the back, so you can really easily get your little hand lotion. And let me actually smell this. Pineapple-y, yum. So I've got my pineapple lotion, I've got my pineapple lip balm as well. I'll be smelling so sweet these days. How cute is she? You've got the pineapple with the little girl, the girl pineapple. She's got the bow in her hair, and then well, it's not her hair, you know what I mean, the bow and the leaves, and then the little pink lips as well to match me today. I absolutely think this is so sweet, and they have loads of different varieties of these as well, which I love, loads of different themes. And this was $6.99, really cute, and you're going to have nice smelling hands if you buy one of these. I'll actually have to go back in and see what other flavours they have, now that I know that it actually is pineapple scented as well. I love that fact. So moving on to the next item. Again, again, it's watermelon. So we're seeing watermelons everywhere, as I said. So cute. And this is a rainbow watermelon, which I love. I like the normal, obviously the green and the red watermelon. I think that's a really cute design. But I love the fact that they did a rainbow version of this because, of course, Claire's and their accessories, they're so rainbowy and unicorny, so this fits in perfectly with this haul theme as well. And this was $10.99. It's of course a little kind of cosmetic bag. You've got the two pom-poms on there, the pink pom-pom and the blue pom-pom, and that's kind of what drew me to this in the first place because I'm obsessed with pom-poms. Anytime I see anything with pom-poms on, I'm instantly drawn to it. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I need that in my life. Watermelons, pom-poms, rainbow. It's just like a perfect marriage for me. So yeah, you've got a bit of room in there, nice little one. This would be great actually as a bikini or swimsuit bag. You can just pop it in there after the beach or the swimming pool. Then your bag will stay nice and dry, or else for other things like that, because it's great because it's see-through, so you can get to stuff really easily by using this. Did I say how much this was? I think I did. Yeah, $10.99. Fabulous. Absolutely love it. And moving on to the last item in my Claire's haul, and probably my favourite. Now, who am I saying probably to? It is my favourite item in the haul. It's a gorgeous unicorn Toi Beanie Boo. How gorgeous is this one? Seriously, when I saw it in the shop, this was the first item I picked up because I literally couldn't leave it behind when I saw it. All of the little unicorn hooves are different rainbow colours. So you've got the blue and the yellow / gold on the front. You've got the pink and the green little feet on the back. And then all over the little spots on the white body are, of course, the rainbow little spots. The blue, the pink, the yellow and the green. She's got a little pink mane, a pink tail. And then the ears even as well. They're green, pink. And then you've got the little horn, unicorn horn as well. And that is blue and the yellowy gold. I absolutely love her. She's got the little glitter, the pink glitter in her eyes as well. And let's see what her name is. Harmony. Oh my god, how sweet is that? It says, I sing because it's a lot of fun, but only when I sit in the sun. This girl, she gets me. That is exactly what I do. I love to sing. I love sunshine. So this girl really gets me. Yeah, I love the fact that I picked this up. I'm so happy with her. And of course, the two of them go nicely together because you've got the rainbow one and then you've got the kind of more unicorny party one. And I thought I'd treat myself to this because it's my birthday next week, so I thought she'd be a really cute little one. And it looks like little sprinkles all over, you know, like a funfetti cake or something. I thought this unicorn Beanie Boo was just like that, and this was $9.99. Absolutely love her. She's my favourite. And the last item in my haul, as I said, I'll pop her back there. She goes perfectly with my little rainbow pillow. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this Claire's accessories haul. If you have, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment below, let me know what your favourite item is, what your favourite lip balm flavour was, if you've liked the hand lotion and maybe you have one yourself, what's your favourite thing to buy in Claire's, and do let me know, and I will see you again real soon guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.